With its classic retro design, its rounded curves, and its studied red aluminium bodywork, Ascaso presents Dream, its gourmet coffee machine. This little gem of a coffee machine enables you to prepare the perfect espresso, cappuccino, or latte. Its versatility allows you to choose whether to use ground coffee or single-serving espresso pods. Thanks to its steamer, you can prepare fabulous foam for your cappuccino in a matter of seconds. The integrated deluxe cup warmer heats your cup to the perfect temperature for you to enjoy your flavored beverage. Available in a wide range of colors, there is no resisting the Ascaso Dream.